Today we are going to take a look at one of our very affordable Fleetwood homes, the Excursion. This manufactured home is the perfect home if you are looking for an affordable home with a lot of space and a lot of bedrooms and bathrooms. The Excursion by Fleetwood Homes is a model that is offered as a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,344 square foot home, a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,568 square feet home, or a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,792 square foot home. The Excursion is in Fleetwood's more affordable series of homes. You are getting a lot of square feet for the money in this home. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little bit based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. Although this home is in the more affordable series of homes, it does have some great features. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we build all of our homes with the Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package and low E thermal pane insulated windows for more energy efficiency. And this home has both. This manufactured home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight-line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. If you want to special order one of our Excursion homes, there are a number of upgrades you can choose from and a number of color options as well. You can choose all of your own colors inside and outside of the home. You can select different siding, different roofing, different flooring, different cabinets, different countertops, different walls, different appliances, different faucets, and different sinks in the kitchen and the bathrooms. You can also upgrade this home with full drywall, 2x6 walls, OSB wrap for house wrap, even more insulation on top of our already included Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package, and there are a number of other different flooring options, or you can upgrade the appliances and much more. You can also select different exteriors to this home. You can get it with a steep roof pitch, you can add a dormer, you can upgrade the siding to something different, or if you're looking for something a little more on the higher end, we can do that too. However, if you like this home just the way it is, and you want to save some money, this home is on special and is ready to be purchased right off the lot, and it is ready to be taken right to your home site for installation right away. If you are currently renting your home and you would like to start putting money into your own pocket, rather than your landlord's pocket, this might be the perfect home for you. If you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money every month on your utility bills, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. We have a large variety of different homes in different quality and different price levels at Kentucky Dream Homes. We like to say at Kentucky Dream Homes, we have a home for everyone. We will help you find the right home for you that will also fit your budget. Due to the incredible value of manufactured homes, there are now several nationwide lenders offering financing on almost any credit score for manufactured housing. And financing options in many cases for manufactured homes are far faster and far easier. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. So let us help you find your dream home. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest price. We are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for shopping with Kentucky Dream Homes. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more incredible home tours. Thank you.